what's okay? That's that good. Like, scoot over.
I'm gonna go around.
Okay.
Good. Hold on, I'm gonna fix it. Right there.
Okay. What's up, Ant Family? I'm back with another video. I'm back with another one. So you can probably already tell what video we're doing by all this slime tutorial. So yeah. Okay. It's an easy and an improved way. So we have to try it out to make sure it works. I got this kind of slime in a container.
Well, this mine was originally clear slime.
Oh yeah, and shout out to Lit Raps. I said let's make a slime video, and he wanted to do it.
Oh,
too.
heck,
And so
it's kind of sticky, but
shout out to him for doing it with me. So what you'll need is something to mix in, something to mix with, something to put your slime in, some glue. I have this one, and I have this one too.
also
I already made a glitter slime, so let's make it clear.
Your activator, you can use borax, contact solution, and baking soda.
Something that's like an activator for slime.
Yeah, we have Tide.
Liquid Tide. It's okay if you use the powder, but we didn't have the powder.
Sometimes the powder it does turn out right if you add perfectly enough, but sometimes it
you can do this with us or after the video. It doesn't matter to me, but let's get pouring.
So first you want to do is you want to
pour it in there.
I'm making a small batch.
Me too.
This time.
Because we want to do it. So
since I only have wait, where's my fork? Oh yeah.
Well,
I was testing it out.
Much.
I had dropped my fork.
Then you kind of just want to mix around with it, play with it.
Yeah. Get all the extra stuff. Because leftover Tide that I have on the side still kind of gets it slime, but
yeah,
see,
so
it's kind of already slimy, but
mine's too.
Yeah.
So that's why.
And then you just want to
kind of be clearish bluish.
Yeah, and you want to
clear blue.
Get your activator, and then but don't add too much. You want to add a little bit by little.
Yeah, because if you add too much at a time, your slime will not be good.
It'll be too
active.
It'll be too
liquidy.
It will be if you add too much, it'll be too liquidy. If you add a lot, it'll be really rubbery, and then it won't even be slimy anymore.
It'll just be
it'll be plastic.
Yeah. Don't want to do that. And I'm gonna add a little more glue because that's not a big enough.
Oh my bad. If you guys see me, I spilled it.
That.
I'll show you.
Oh yeah, you guys, if you haven't saw my other video, go check that out on my channel, Maury's World. Thinking about changing my name, who knows. And comment down below if you want me to start doing vlogs and tutorials, or just tutorials, or just vlogs. Okay? Comment down below what you want me to do. Okay? And then once we find what we want to do, we can find a schedule that's right for you guys and right for me.
Yeah, and also after you find the right consistency for your slime, then basically you're all done.
And then you start handling it with your hands.
Yeah, and then you should be done. You can either use a plastic bag, which after if you use a plastic bag,
See, I said I was gonna turn it out as a clear blue.
it'll be like harder to get out of the. It'll be harder to get it out of the bag, but I guess you could use it.
And then you just want to take your bowl, put the slime in your hand, and see mine just sticky. So just start handling upon.
Mine is actually not sticky. So here it is, guys. This is like a clear blue. We didn't have food coloring, but food coloring is optional.
Yeah,
It already kind of gave us a color.
so we really need it.
Yours is a pretty blue. Mine is like a light. Yours is like a nice.
Mine won't even let me mix. It just cleans the bowl.
Hold on.
You guys, this is really good slime. Oh,
This is
hashtag this is a slime kit. We didn't buy this glue by it, so. Can I see?
Yeah, you can do it now.
I'm gonna start mixing up a little more.
Okay, so mine was a success, guys.
Success!
We're gonna like, I'll hold the camera while she's playing with her batch of slime, and then I guess if she wants, she can hold the camera while I'm playing with my batch of slime.
You guys? Oh, sorry. Okay. Look, our slime. You see that? You got a little bit sticky, but you just have to handle it with your hand. And
Okay, so we made our slime. We don't want this video to be long, so I'm gonna do your intro with you. So make sure you thumbs up the video. Make sure you go down and
Share.
subscribe.
Yeah,
Make
and
sure you share the channel with your friends
family.
and family. Say peace out, Ender fam.
Peace out, Ender fam.
See you later.
And